Do you know how just in one click to separate the name and surname like in this example? I'm going to show you 3 working methods that you can use without any type of formula just in 1 second. Let's go! The first method, from my point of view, is the easiest one. Just copy the column of the name and surname and put it in the name column. Select again the same column with the name and surnames and press Ctrl F. In the Find What section, you just need to write space star. And as the result, all text will be cancelled after the space. The same thing we are also going to do for the surname. We just copy the column with the name and surname and put in the surname. Then we press Ctrl F and we are going to write star space. It means that all the text will be cancelled before the space. Perfect, it worked very good, but now we have the problem, because the middle name was just disappeared. And let's see the method that separates the name, middle name and the surname. At the beginning, just select the whole column of name and surnames, go to Data tab and select Text column. In the automatic way, you will get the delimited option. Usually this option is used for the tables that are separated by the comma or by the space. Click on the next and here we have different type of delimiters. In our case, the text is separated by the comma and the space. We maintain the hack on the treat consecutive delimiters as 1 because we don't want that will be created the column in between. Press next. And the last important thing is to indicate the destination. In our case, we want that the name will be written in the column E4. And as the result, our function divided the name, middle name and surname. And the last cool method to separate the name and surname is using the pivot table. Super easy, just select the whole table. Go to Insert and press on the table. And the magic starts here. If you write the first name and then you are going to write the second name, in automatic way, the Excel recognizes that you wanna separate the names from the surnames. You just press enter and the entire column will be filled with the names. The same thing we are also going to do for the surnames. We just write the first surname and the second surname. As the result, just in one click, the Excel separated the name and surnames. Perfect guys, very nice and cool tricks. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.